In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix MetaTrader login problem with MT4 or MT5 invalid account. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to the application right here, and once inside, you then want to click on File, click on Open an Account, and we will be taken to a list of brokers. You want to make sure that you have selected the right server. For example, for HF markets, they have different servers like Global, UK, HF Markets, LTZ, and more. Now, after making sure that you have selected the right one, in my case, it's going to be the main server, which is going to be HF Markets LTD. You then have the option right here, which is to connect with an existing trade account. Now, this is where most people get it wrong because the login credentials for your broker is going to be different from your trading account credentials. You want to get your trading account credentials from email or from the account dashboard inside your specific broker. Once again, the login credentials for your broker is going to be different from your trading account. So you want to enter the right credentials for your trading account, and you also want to make sure that you have selected the right server. Click on finish and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.